Hey guys, I'm up here on my mulberry tree. Good morning, you guys. I'm up here picking some mulberries. I love doing this in the mornings whenever they're in season. This tree does fruit like 3 times out of the year, so thought I'll take you guys along with me for the fun. I also got a little basket here. I usually don't even collect, I just like pick and eat as I go. But maybe to show you guys some of the berries I harvest, I'll try to save some. The funny story about this tree is that I originally wanted to plant it and keep it in a container, but then the roots went past the container before we could get to it. So it ended up planting it kind of close to this, I think it was like a juniper or something. But the cool thing about this is that the juniper is a very old tree, so it's actually very sturdy. It's hard, it's very firm, so it actually makes it really fun, like easy and more stable for climbing. Ooh, my hair, I'm caught. I'm caught. Catch you. Okay, there. Thank you. They should fall off your hands pretty easily if they're ripe, but sometimes I pull it just a little bit because if I don't get to them, the birds will. Which I'm happy to share. There's a lot on the tree, but any ones that I can get to quite easily shall be mine. Whoops. That's what an action camera's for, right? Oh, there it is. There's a bunch. Whoa, there's a big one that just fell. I don't know where my gorilla pod is, so I'm hoping this camera will sort of freestand. Just gonna put you on the roof. Oh, this is actually a really great view here. As you guys can see, I'm way up here. This is sort of my pre-breakfast, but yeah, it's quite fun to be climbing on this tree and picking my fruits in the morning. So let me show you guys what the mulberries look like. What's really cool about mulberries is that it's not only the fruits that's edible, but the leaves are too. You can eat those tender leaves, cook them. We usually would dry the leaves as tea. I do have a video on showing you how I do that. I'll point to you guys below. Some people even grow mulberries just for the leaves rather than the fruits. So yeah, the one. Okay, camera fell. Let's try again. Here's the thing, when you're climbing or when you're up, you know, on a ladder, if things fall, just let it fall. Don't try to catch it. Yeah. Okay, let's get back up here. Okay, and we're good. Stay. This tree was given to us by a really lovely lady. Because it was given to us, we actually don't have the name of the variety, but we do think it is an everbearing because it fruits at least 3 to 4 times a year. And what we do is basically just cut it back each time after they fruit. Cut it way back because they grow so fast. And then the fruits grow along these new branches. This is what I got so far. I see some over there, so let's go outside. The fruits that come during spring and summer usually loads this tree. Like we would find maybe at least 5 to 7 times more than what we usually harvest now in the fall. It's so crazy. And the interesting thing about this tree is that the fruits are not super sweet like some other varieties I've had, which are like super tasty. But when you have that many fruits that are that sweet, it's very tasty, but it's actually a lot of sugar. So in a way, I don't really mind that these fruits are a bit more on the sour side, so I ended up juicing a lot of them. But to my surprise, this time actually, the fruits are much sweeter than they used to be. The only thing I can think of that improved the flavor of these fruits is sort of indirectly affecting it. What I mean by that is I've been applying the VermisTerra Vitality around the garden, but I didn't apply it directly onto this tree because this tree is, you know, growing quite close to the house, so I was afraid of it, like, you know, growing a little too vigorously. I wonder if that had any impact on the flavor, because there's been feedback by others about this product that actually helps with improving the taste of your crops. Wow, this is awesome. So this is how I actually do it in the mornings, just eat it. But I want to show you guys how much I can collect. That's why I'm trying to not eat them, but they're so good. You know what also helps is if you have proper shoes. These are just like some cheap Amazon shoes, but they do the job. I mean, they're really flexible, so they feel like I have my own, like just climbing with my feet, so I have more grip. Yeah, stiff shoes are no good for climbing. That's what I find it to be. And always have one arm grabbing very tightly on a sturdy branch. I actually don't recommend you guys doing this. This is just fun for me and I'm showing you, but please be very, very careful, okay, you guys? Yeah, don't take risks. I don't recommend it, but even though I'm doing it. Look at the size of these. And don't go beyond your reach. I don't know how much this is gonna hang on. We'll see. Look at this bunch here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun because mulberries are so easy to pick, especially the ripe ones. You touch them and they'll fall off. And you'll probably always find me wearing very similar clothes when I'm picking these because they really stain you like crazy. Beautiful pigment. Look at all these. We're slightly on a slope, that's why I find that climbing the tree is actually safer than using a ladder. The ladder is just not very stable. The tree is not going anywhere as long as you grab onto a very sturdy, firm branch that can hold your weight. So test it out before you make your moves. I'm familiar with mine, so yeah. Ooh, there's a big bunch up there. Whoa. See, look at that stain right there. So purple. Alright, let's get over there. Whoa, 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 whoa. There goes a fruit. Oh well. Let's get back up here. Gotta empty out my bowl. Okay, time to pick some more. There's a lot on this side. Oh, there's a nice branch right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, dropped one. Gone. That's how much I got, you guys. So good. All right. I'll see you guys later. Have a good day. Bye.